Hola, I'm Jessie of Pony Hunt from New Orleans, Louisiana. This is Música Secreta. Um, that is all, right?
Oh yeah.
Baby, I'm 6 years gone, and I held you all night long. And if I squeeze you tight, won't you never cry? Left with a heavy heart to call, so tied to your every fall. And I know you can't be mine, but marry me tonight. And when you've grown old and gone, and I'm still all alone and wrong, will the Lord save my soul from the heartache I've caused? Well, I caught you by the shore, and I don't love you anymore. But I can't be the one you lean upon. I tried to love you more and more, all the little things I adored, but our hearts fell through the floor to a place I've never gone. Part of me is still gunning you away. I think about you every day. I can't be the one anymore, babe. When you've grown old and gone, and I'm still all alone and wrong, will the Lord save my soul from the heartache I've caused? And I love you by the shore, and I don't love you anymore. I can't be the one you lean upon.
When you go on stage, when you come on stage to play the songs, how do you feel? What is the experience of being there playing in front of people?
It's always different. Sometimes it's exciting, and sometimes it's really frightening.
It depends on the reaction, maybe, of the on the feedback, on the early feedback of the people.
It depends on how many people are there, how intimate it is. I find that if I'm in a big club with a big crowd, I feel more comfortable and at ease.
Oh, really?
But if I'm in a small place like this, with maybe only 20 people or 30 people just really paying attention, I get more, I feel more connected. So I get a little more nervous to make that connection with so many people at once. But yeah.
And if there were a librarian to the earth on me, she placed a sign. Treat with care, don't crease or tear. I am the last of my kind.
How do you see it to work as a musician? How do you feel to do that?
It's a roller coaster. It's can be bliss and it can be hell. Sometimes.
Is it hard in US to tour?
Yeah. It one day you're playing a show for 500 people and the next day you're playing a show for 5. So some days you get treated like a queen and some days no one cares. And it's emotional.
I know what you're talking about.
And it's bizarre how much you can be appreciated and then how much you just tossed aside, and it's not personal. It's just things are always different. So it's hard to find consistency.
Thought I would be holding this light so dimly to the sea. I never thought it'd be true. Oh, be alone, living in baby blue. Lately, I wanted to be next to you with pockets full of posies and open the gates. I've heard I'm too late. Oh Lord, I'm trying. I don't think I can be true to a man who can't tell me that he wants you. You couldn't possibly be all the things that they've wanted from me. And open the gates. I've heard I'm too late. Oh Lord, I'm trying.
Which of your songs is the one that you feel proudest? You know, like this is a good song. This is a hit. No, like.
Well, hopefully they're all hits, but
In a parallel world.
in the perfect world. I feel like that's changes sort of day to day sometimes, but I have a song called Rise that I really enjoy singing.
Wow. Yeah, I know which one we mean.
Yeah, I just made a little video of it.
Yeah, it's a good song.
Oh, thank you.
Lordy, Lordy, here it comes. myself and I sing to none. And why must I give for truth? Holding sun rays for you.
They want to know more about your lyrics, the topics. What do they talk about? What do you want to express with your lyrics?
In the past, I've gravitated toward writing about personal relationships and the emotions that kind of get tied up inside of each other and with each other and all of that. It's very relatable. In this album, I'm writing more about my relationship with myself and how I relate to the world.
Mm-hmm.
And that ties into being a woman, being gender fluid, being queer, being all these other things, you know. And it's just digging more into the complexities of life, I think.
Good.
Yeah.
Isn't it lucky? Never really fell for you. 'Cause I would've sang a whole lifetime or two. So close your eyes. Imagine our life. Wrap your arms around your sweetheart's side. 'Cause I could cry. There's no way out of this dirty life.
The show is called Música Secreta, Secret Music.
Uh-huh.
So, for you, what would it be, secret music?
Secret music. I think maybe does it reference things that we don't know? I mean, secret, we don't know yet. Maybe lots of people here have never heard me yet.
But today they are going to discover
Right.
your music,
So, yeah.
and maybe if you come back in spring or whenever,
Yeah.
no?
See.
And it's not going to be secret,
Then
no?
not so secret anymore.
What can we expect about today's show?
I hope I will blow your minds.